So this week's word of the week for week number 35 is superset. Now superset is defined as performing 2 exercises back to back with little to no time in between. An example of a superset would be performing a bench press, then squatting right after. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 9 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, X's. Number 2, sumo squats. Number 3, Russian twist. And number 4, the dreaded burpees. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So for Fast 5 workout number 9, these are the 4 exercises you're gonna do. Number 1, as I mentioned, was X's. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your feet shoulder width apart, and what you're gonna do is hop right in place, and then you're gonna put your feet together, moving forward like this, and then you're gonna open your feet up again like you're making a letter X. So again, together, open. So it's gonna look like this in full motion. You're gonna go hop, together, hop, together. So you're gonna go back and forth, okay, making that X. Second, sumo squat. So instead of doing a regular squat, which is feet shoulder width apart, you're actually gonna go a little bit wider than your shoulders, okay? And you're gonna drop your bottom, nice and low. All right, so we got those sumo squats. Then we got Russian twist, so we're gonna go down to our mats if you have one. If not, that's okay. What you're gonna do is slightly elevate your torso, your hands, you're gonna go and touch together the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're just gonna go back and forth, okay? That's Russian twist. And the dreaded burpee, yes. You guys knew it was coming sooner or later, okay? So if you do not know how to do a burpee, this is how I will step it out for you, okay? You can do this. First, you're gonna go ahead and pop your feet out. Again, you can do this in steps. You're gonna go down into a push-up-like position. So you're gonna place your hands going forward. Don't turn your wrist. As I mentioned, that could actually ruin your wrist. So go down, you're gonna kick your feet out, okay? Bring your feet in, and then jump up, okay? That's a burpee. Now this is how it looks facing you guys. Just go this over a little bit. Again, I'm gonna step it out just so you can see it. Hands go down, feet go out, feet go in, and jump, okay? If you wanna make that more challenging, which it's just a recommendation, you guys can do it in one motion. So go down, feet out, pop your feet in, and jump. All right, so get ready to go. We'll start this Fast 5 workout in just a moment. We are starting in 3, 2, 1, go. If you guys have some chalk, you can make that. 2 circles up top, 1 in the middle, 2 circles on the bottom. If you have tape, you can do that as well. Heart rate climbing. All right, sumo squats with those feet up and go. Squat. And wider than your shoulders. As low as you can. Your legs are gonna feel really tight. Woo! Good job. Keep the work, my friends. Finish. Wherever you start in life, finish it. All right, getting down those Russian twist. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Number tap each side. Nice and slow. Try to keep your feet elevated and as straight as possible. Try not to hit the floor. Side to side. All right, let's go for the burpees. All right, so love you tomorrow. You did a quick before. Step, step. Show you the step up point. For the next round, I'll go into the pool. This is probably the least favorite exercise of anyway. All right, 1 minute break. I've yet to hear one person who says, absolutely love burpees. Haven't heard it. You know somebody? Drop a comment below, that's pretty awesome. Mr. Garcia, I'm a 50-50 on it. Some days I'll want to pop up and do it. Other days, not so much. Again, use this 1 minute break. Catch your breath, get some water. 30 more seconds. All right. Yeah, we're gonna start with number 1, X's. 2 sumo squats, 3 Russian twists, 4 burpees this time. I'm gonna add that push up into my burpee. Again, you guys go at your own pace, whatever you feel comfortable with. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. Go. Remember, just finished. Don't quit. This is our last round. You got it. Come on. Do more reps than you did the first time. All right, sumo squats, let's go, wider. Remember to breathe. Let's get down, Russian twist. 2 more guys, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Side to side. Don't quit on me, just finish, let's go. Work hard. All right, let's go, burpees. Last one. Everything you got. Woo. Everything you got. And time. Nice job. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. If you have somebody there, fist bump. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 9. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Drop a comment below. What was your biggest challenge for this workout? What was your favorite exercise for this workout? I'd like to know, so drop a comment below. What exercises you would like to see, drop them down in the comment section. And as always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun game for you, and it is called Sorry. Now this is the PE version of the board game Sorry. It's very fun, very limited equipment, so don't go anywhere. For this activity, you're only gonna need a few items. You're gonna need 4 paper plates. You're gonna label them 1, 2, 3, and 4. a sock ball. Remember, two socks. Fold it together. Just roll it up nice and slow until they make a nice little sock ball. And then as well as a bucket. It could be a container. If you want to use a gallon-sized water, cut it in half. You can use that as well. Anything that you can toss your sock ball into. All right, so I'm going to show you two variations of the game. I'm going to do it by myself, single, and I'm going to do it with a partner. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to stand behind the line. You're going to toss your sock ball underhand. So make sure you have your opposite foot forward, your dominant foot back. You're going to swing your arm back in a tic-tac motion, and then release. Your goal is to get them in order of 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one is going to be your bucket or whatever you have at the end. So if I toss it and I make it inside my paper plate, which I did not, then I will pick up my plate and take it back to my team, and then I will aim for the second one. But since I missed it, I'm going to leave the paper plate there. I'm going to get my sock ball and go back and toss it again. And I'm going to go back again. And I'm going to keep doing it until I collect all 4. Once I start collecting them and I make it, my goal is to be able to toss it and make it inside my last object, which is my bucket. Once I make it in there, I'm going to stop my time, or I'm just going to see how quickly I can do this, okay? So stay tuned and I'm going to go and demonstrate this activity. All right, starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so I made it in the first one. He's going to go to the next one. Didn't quite, it has to land on the plate. Very close. There you go, we got 2. On to his next plate. Almost. Now plate number 3. Oh, almost. He's in record time right now. 3. Now he's on plate number 4. Keep going, keep going. Work hard, work hard, work hard. And it's on, that counts. It was on the rim. All right, so now he has to make it in the bucket, and then he has to run back and say sorry. On his last level number 5. Made it in the bucket, sorry, at 1:29. Jordan has now completed the game of sorry, so I'm gonna try to beat his time. I got 1. Quite almost. That's 2. It's 3. Come on. All right, now plate number 4. Last one. The bucket for sorry. Time, 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Jordan beat me in this challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed the game. Sorry, that's single player. I'll show you guys it with 2 players at the same time. Go. Jordan won, and that's okay. I'm gonna give him a high five for being a good sport. I work hard. I'm gonna get myself better so I can beat him next time. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the game. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.